Please watch the video in high quality. We can work with heavy meshes in Unity by increasing the mesh index buffer data. When creating a mesh in code, the default index format is 16-bit because it's required less memory and can handle a mesh with about 65,000 vertices. Although we could create multiple meshes with up to 65,000 vertices each, sometimes we need to handle a mesh with a larger number of vertices. So increasing the rendering index format to 32-bit would support mesh with up to 4 billion vertices. This can be done in C# code after creating the mesh like so. So let's say we have a mesh, we call it mesh equal new mesh. And so after creating the mesh, we could call this mesh dot index format equal, that's when we set its index format to 32, Unity engine dot rendering dot index format dot u integer 32. And with that, we will change the index format from 16 to 32 and thus support much larger meshes. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and click the notifications button to help me make more videos like this.